Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Campaign Manager and Payment ready. Open the account and pick a campaign objective that allows lead gen forms. Once done, choose your audience and set budget pacing so data flows immediately. Next, build the lead form. Pick required fields, add one custom question to qualify leads, and write a short privacy policy link. Do this now rather than later so the form is attached when you launch the ad and start collecting quality responses. Now connect the creative to the form. Craft a headline and ad copy that promise the exact asset or call to action in the form. Once done, set the form questions to mirror the ad, that alignment raises completion rates, and keep required fields minimal to reduce friction. Make sure to enable the custom thank you message and select lead delivery. Download CSV, CRM sync, or webhook. Finally, test the form preview and run a small test. Launch the ad and watch initial metrics closely: lead count, cost per lead, and completion rate. Once you have baseline data, optimize by /B testing creative elements and swapping or removing questions that lower conversion. Make sure you set weekly cadence for review and adjust audience or bid type to control costs. If data stops arriving, check billing thresholds first, then verify audience targeting and inspect webhook or CRM logs for errors. Resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.